Hey y'all, so I got my Hello Fresh meal, the first serving. It is pretty good. Those are caramelized onions. I don't like my beef all the way cooked through because it makes it more tough. Yes. Mmm. That's really good. That meat is really good. Tastes like butter. I mean, it's like really, like kind of melting up my mouth. Green beans are kind of crispy. Mashed potatoes is awesome with the onions on top. I can't ask for nothing else. I would say this meal is a thumbs up. Different from whatever else I have had, but in a good direction. Bon appetit.